be under the sea theme. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what are the supplies or the balloon supplies that I'm going to use. Okay, so these are the materials that I'm going to use. We are gonna be using 12 inches of standard blue balloons, latex balloons, and then these are light blue. All of these are the clear latex balloon to make bubble balloons, and all this foil balloon fishes. These are all foil balloon fishes. These are the 260Q balloons. These are the ones that are used for balloon twisting. So I used here emerald green, and I believe this is spring-winter green, I think. Okay, and then I am gonna be using also water weight for the base. Oh, by the way, guys, the 260Qs, we will be using this to look like seaweeds. We're gonna be using the fishing line too in tying all these bubble balloons. So these are the clear latex balloons. Yeah, so we're gonna tie it in a fishing line and all of this. And I am going to the bubble balloons and all those fishes will be filled up with helium to let it float and would look like a bubble. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and blow up all my bases to attach the bubble balloons and also attach these 260Q balloons here to make it look like seaweeds. As you can see, here are some of the bases, balloon base that I did, and then I already attached those 260Qs there to kind of look like seaweeds. I'm going to show you very quickly how I did the base. So I blow them up, this royal blue balloons, I blow them up with 12 pumps of air. Quad, I have 2 duplets here. Make it a quad. Same thing, just twist, attach together and twist like this. Light blue balloons here, 8 pumps of air. 8 pumps of air for this one. So same thing, attach both duplets and twist to make it a quad. I am going to show you how I blow up all the 260Qs. Okay, so we just have to blow this up all the way to the tip. There you go. And then what I am going to do is deflate. I haven't tied it yet. Deflate it a bit until you can squeeze the center and deflate it, and will look like this. So we already have 3 inflated 260Qs, which are deflated in the middle too. Now let's grab our balloon weight. Grab one extra nozzle in the middle, and then tie it with a weight like this. Extra nozzle of the weight. Sorry. So there. With our lighter blue balloons, okay, so we are going to attach all these three 260 Qs. Okay, so I am going to squeeze this one in the middle and the other end squeeze this one here. So that's the reason why that we deflated the middle of the 260 Qs, so that it will be easier for us to squeeze all this bunch of seaweeds in the middle. So it was already here, tied over here, and then we are going to attach it with the blue balloon that has the weight on it already. So we are going to tie the second layer of the base, squeeze it in the middle, and then tie it at the bottom. What I like to do with this 260 Qs is to bend it a bit, freestyle it. You know, those seaweeds just, there you go. I am going to do 10 of these bases with the 260 Qs. Okay. Okay, so next guys, I just grabbed my fishing line. We are going to inflate all our bubble balloons right now. Okay, so I am hoping to have those bubble balloons at least 8 feet tall. So that's also the height of the fishing line that I am going to attach to the base. So when I inflate all my bubble balloons, it's floating and like it will nicely look like bubbles. So what I did is I am just attaching my fishing line into the base. And that way this is kind of serve like the weight also of your strand of balloon bubbles, which is inflated with helium.